Let's start with first. So network traffic interception, and be also called a man in the middle. So this is kind of we will learn network traffic inspection. So app most app communicate over the HTTP or HTTPS. So this is kind of like a web application, native or hybrid. All kind of app is communicating over the this protocol like HTTP and HTTPS. So if app doesn't enforce encryption or accept unvalidated certificate, attacker can intercept, read and modify the data in the transit. So what he can perform the action first, like modify the data, he can read the data, intercept the data. And why, if app doesn't enforce encryption means app didn't encrypt the this all thing or accept and validate means accept and validate certificate means if they are not validating any kind of certificate, then man in the middle who can read as intercept and modify data. So this is the entry point for the credential theft, season hijacking and the data manipulation. So this is kind of the entry point. So here attacker can perform some kind of action. So vulnerability mechanism, what is that? Like app send traffic without encryption. So app is sending some data without encryption. So raw data they are sending. App accept self-signed or invalid certificate means app also accept the self-signed and invalid certificate. There is no validation of in the certificate. App doesn't validate certificate or host name. So they are not validating the host name who is a certificate owner. An attacker on the same network can ARP poison and DNS hijack or the control the Wi-Fi. So attacker will be on the same network, like they can hijack the DNS hijack. DNS means nothing but it is when we are sending some host when you are entering some host name, then it will be identify the IP address through the DNS and or Wi-Fi. They can control the Wi-Fi. So result, what will be the result? So complete visual into the app request and response. So he can see the complete request and response. So how he can it can be exploit, or how we can check this? So we have a one tool like Warp Suite and Charlie and Mimity proxy. So for that, install CS certificate on devices, app connect through proxy, attackers read modify all traffic. So if app doesn't validate certificate, attackers fake certificate is accepted. If no pinning is implemented or any validate certificate work. So working a script and exploitation. So a script first. So what step need to set up the things, like you have to first identify the port number, then you have to manually set in your device, and that port number you have to give in the your app or Charlie proxy. And once you receive and identify, and you have given the permission to the your particular devices for the MAD in the mediator, so they can able to what you will perform in the application, what you will perform, the kind of action they can check in the Charlie proxy. So this is thing it can be happen. For I already discussed with you like three tools: Brobsuit, Charlie and MITM proxy. So this is kind of a script you have to run. If you are using ADB, then you can also, this is the simple way and to set the proxy. And this is a MITM proxy UI. So once you tap Q, then it will be Q. Once you type V, it will be view the flow. So this is kind of we can perform the we can set the mediator of the in the network. So, and how to professional detect this means every can do, like you can also do, but how professional detect this, like how to detect. So install custom CS certificate on device, correct. Run app through the whoop Charlie proxy. Observe if app is connected, vulnerable, or the fuse pinned. If the fuse, then check the certificate pinning. So this is the thing. It can be you can track the request and the response. But how you can secure implementation mitigation. So fix enforce HTTP only for no HTTP fallback. Implement certificate pinning. Use secure TSL. This is the network which is taking the TSL is so network protocol. And validate certificate on hostname. Encrypt the system sensitive data before the transmission. You have to write in the code. So that's all. Thank you. We will meet in the next.